It is my great pleasure to be here in the beautiful Bangkok, Thailand, to attend this Automotive Summit. And many thanks to the invitation from TAI. My name is Shuai Zhao, come from CATARC, China. And today I will talk about the personalization through AI and data. Before I officially started, let's go through the whole picture. Nowadays, when we talk about our cars, I think everyone have the feeling that the cars is no longer just transportation tools to take you around. If you look into the modern cars, you will see some important changes is happening. Those old cars with interiors with physical buttons and knobs are slowly disappearing. And nowadays, we see the cars more like friends, like a companion. It not only can see what is happening around you and understand what you need, even they can provide services before you ask for it. So today I will have three main points. First is the overall industry landscape, I mean for the smart cockpit. And the second is the AI and data, how AI and data reshaping the interaction paradigm. And the third part is practical challenges and future work. And first, let's walk through four big stages of the smart cabin. Before 2010, everything was run by physical buttons and knobs. There were not many functions at all, and all you could do was just play music and adjust the basic settings. Driving back then was simple, but not very convenient and have not much fun. At the second stage, from 2010 to 2015, at that time, large touch screens become popular in cars, especially provided by Tesla Model S, I think. I think this was a huge turning point for the industry because the big central screens became standard, and together with the in-car navigation and the basic voice control, driving and using in-car system became much easier. And between 2016 and 2020, we stepped into a new phase. The cars started to use multiple screens that work together with the help of cloud computing technology. Voice interaction got much better. And talking to your car feels just like talking to another person. And nowadays, from 2021 to nowadays, we have entered the AI era. Powerful AI models are built into the vehicles. The cabin is no longer just a set of equipment. It is the smart party that can serve you in every situation. And so creating personalized personalization has become the core competitiveness of the automakers. So let's talk about why personalized service is so important today. The first reason is that the car buyers have totally different needs. People don't just want a car that can drive well. They want the space inside the car to feel warm and special, like a little private room. First, there are two real set of data from market research. First is the 35%. The cars with smart virtual assistant get 35% more daily use time. This tells us drivers really love these smart features and they tend to use the car system more often. The second figure is 41%. Over 41% of car buyers say they are happy to pay more money for cars with great personalized AI functions. The users are willing to spend extra for a better tailor-made experience. We often say in our industry, basic technology makes sure a car works well, but personalized experience is what makes a brand stand out. And these slides shows two big benefits brought by personalization: better user experience and new business opportunities. First, let's talk about the driving experience. AI keeps learning your driving styles, your favorite music, and all your small daily habits. It creates a unique profile just for you. The system can even guess what you need ahead of time, instead of just waiting for you to give orders. At second, it changes how car company make money. In the past, company only earn profit when they sold a car. No, they can keep providing services long after you drive the car home, like upgrading new functions or opening paid features. This builds a long-term connection between brands and the users. And besides that, after proper processing, user data can also support other new services. For example, special insurance plans and cross-industry cooperation. These new ideas help car companies find more ways to grow their business. At the second part, I'd like to talk about AI and data, AI plus data. Actually, there are several technologies has been applied in the smart cockpit. The first is the computer vision, CV. CV has been used in DMS, OMS, and other ultra perceptions. First up is DMS, the driver monitoring system. It watches you all the time while you drive. It tracks your eyes, your head movement, and your facial expressions. If you feel tired or get distracted, it will send a warning right away to keep you safe. It can also tell who is driving the car automatically. Then the OMS, the occupant monitoring system. The passenger monitoring system, it checks how many people are in the car and can tell adults from kids. For safety, if a child is left alone in the back seat, the car will lock the windows and adjust the air system at once. And the cameras also work to see the road outside. They spot traffic lights, speed limits, signs, and other road information in real time. And the second and more powerful AI technology is large language model, or LLM. This is what makes top-level personalization service possible. With LLM, you can interact with the car in many ways. You can talk to it, tap the screen, or even type words. It can easily understand complicated requests. For example, if you ask it to find a nice family restaurant nearby and start navigation, it will finish the whole task for you. And what's more, the system can sense your mood. It listens to your voice and reads your facial expressions. When it finds you are tired or upset, it will remind you to take a break and turn on the relaxing modus. And the best part is that the car can take action on its own. It knows your daily habits and checks the car's status all the time. If the battery is running low, it will plan the best routes to charging stations and guide you there in advance. So thanks to the combination of cloud and local computing, this smart AI runs smoothly in every car. It really turns the cabin into a caring travel partner. After talking about AI, then we talk about the data. We all know data is the fuel for all these smart functions. Every personalized service relies on different kinds of data collected inside the car. On this table, you can see 6 main data categories. They including how you drive, how you use the car's functions, your facial and voice features, environmental inside and outside the car, your favorite entertainment content, and the connections between your car, the phone, and a smart home. Each type of data has its own use. Some helps plan better routes, some adjust the car's environment, and some recommend music or videos you like. All of them work together to make the car know you well. And the role of data in personalized experience. We achieve 3 great capabilities. First, we put all the information together to build a full picture of every user. This profile updates constantly, so the system knows you far better than simple basic labels. The second, the system can figure out your hidden likes and needs. Sometimes you don't even realize what you want, but the car can find it out from your daily behavior. And third, services came to you actively. You don't need to search for functions or ask for help all the time. Based on your habits, weather, and road conditions, the car prepares everything for you ahead of time. This is the biggest value of data for smart cabins. So after talking about the AI and the data, let's share some examples. First, there are some practices of Chinese automakers. The first one is NIO. It has the GPT named Nomi. It is also an emotional intelligent agent. And XPeng, I just saw several XPengs on the street of Bangkok. I think local people also used XPeng. Also, XPeng has the scenario-oriented driving brain. It's not only the smart cockpit, but also some like ADAS and ADS. And also Huawei Harmony OS cockpit here. The special feature of Huawei is the car can connect it with the Huawei phone. So the connected ecosystem is somehow complicated. And also Li Auto. Li Auto is also very popular in China. It has the Mind GPT, and also it takes the large language model and word model to train their ADS systems. And here goes some videos I found from the YouTube. So please click the first one.
The Chinese cars are so smart.
It's about the Li Auto.
Hand gesture controls. I put my hand up and I go like this.
Rear screen is opening.
And then an OLED TV with Dolby Vision pops out right here. Then you got to decide which movie you want to watch, and you might as well use hand gestures instead of remotes that you're going to lose all throughout the car. So you put your hand up and you can look at it and slide over, look at all the different shows. Let's do that one. Now we watch a movie on the screen, all controlled with hand gestures. This car has an assistant that is voice commanded. You know, like with your phones, you say, "Hey Siri." With your Alexa, you say, "Alexa," and then you tell it the command right after that. The command is in Chinese, and I am not good at Chinese. I'm trying to get it, but the tones are tough. For example, say you want to open the window. Li Sang Tong Shu. I am bad at Mandarin. Li Sang Tong Shu. I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna get this. Li Sang Tong Shu, Li Sang Tong Shu, Li Sang Gong Shu. I butchered it. Li Sang Gong. I can't do it. I'm so bad. Good thing I only speak Filipino, because Filipino has no tones. Li Sang Tong Shu, Li Sang Tong Shu, Li Sang Tong Shu.
你好，
Open the window.
二排右车窗正在开启。
It did it. We opened the window.
Okay, so in this demo, they can control the window, the screen via voice and the gesture. Also, it is not well developed, because when people don't say fluent Chinese, maybe it's hard to control. So I think this is also need to be improved. And let's go the second short video here about BYD.
Hi BYD.
Yeah, it's really short. That means if you talk with BYD, it has consequences, a serious actions you can take. The last one is about the Neo.
Ever thought about having an AI as your driving companion?
Hi, Nomi.
Yes.
Can you tell me a joke?
Why don't some couples go to the gym?
Why?
Some relationships don't work out.
Oh,
This is Nomi, the cloud-connected AI assistant found in NIO's EVs. It's designed for more than just following commands though. With over 500 avatars that give you a personal touch, Nomi adjusts things like your route, temperature, or even music based on your preferences.
Okay, these three demos about the smart cockpit, and you can see it's really somehow personalized. The system, the whole system can study what you're thinking about and take the interaction conversations with you. And the third party about some challenges and the future vision. Besides the application of AI and data, we still need to care about some challenges. We got three main challenges here to deal with. The first one is the data privacy and safety. We collected a lot of personal information from users. We have to make sure the data won't leak or be misused. Right now, the whole industry is working on strict rules and management methods to use data properly while protecting everyone's privacy. Here we also have the UNR 155, and in China we also got the data protecting regulations. The second is the different smart devices cannot work well together yet. Your car, your phone, and other apps often run separately. This brings bad user experience. We need unified standards to make all the services connected and smooth. And the third is the cost control. Advanced AI needs powerful hardware inside the cars, which will raise production costs. To solve the problem, most companies choose a practical way, that is, install the basic hardware first, then update new functions through online upgrades. This way we can cut costs and keep the car smart for years. And also some future developed trends of smart cockpits. We will see even more tailor-made experience for every user. Cars will also connected closely with smart city systems, getting real-time traffic and parking information to make travel easier. And besides, paid software services will become more and more popular. The market will keep growing fast. When self-driving technology becomes widely used, the car cabin will turn into people's third living space, just like our home and offices. Okay, almost the end of my speech. And last, I have a brief introduction of CATARC. I think some of you may know CATARC. CATARC is short for China Automotive Technology and Research Center. We are a very influential and authoritative third party in China. We help the government to develop policies and develop the GBs, that means national standards. And we also launched the Southeast Asia representative office just in Bangkok. So if you have any things, just can contact our office. And I come from the CATARC ICV, that means Intelligent and Connected Vehicle Department here. Also a brief introduction about our capabilities here. First, about the intelligent driving testing. We can do the active safety testing, driver assistance testing, and to do the the DMS using the driving simulator. And about intelligent cockpit test, I just shared, like the touch interaction testing, biometric testing, visual imaging testing, and the voice interactive testing. And also cybersecurity testing, and software update testing, and data security testing. Also, we have some capabilities to testing the connection functions, like the V2X antenna things. We also go to a ICV proving ground in China, in Yancheng City, Jiangsu province. Also, we run CNCAP and CICAP. I means intelligent. Okay, that's all. That is my presentation. Thank you.